everyone. This is Kakul Bernard. Today I'm going to take you through Publisher again, and we are going to design what we call a book cover. And so now, to begin with, we shall have to create a folder in our names. And so that is my folder. And so after creating a folder, I'm going to also see the number. So this number here is telling us that in a bid to regain their target market taken away by Big Fair Industries, Musana Industries Limited has approached you to redesign for them the front book cover of 96 pages exercise book. The following details have been provided to you, and so the details are there. So you can see these details. We are going to use them in designing our book cover so that it is attractive. Using any desktop publishing software of your choice, design a book cover using the criteria below. That in the criteria, we are going to have paper and margin settings to A4 portrait. Include a logo, Musana logo, on top of the book cover with a text inclusive reading where quality matters. Include the following text in position, etc, etc. So we shall work on it as we answer the question. So you open your folder. Inside, create a publisher document. You call it book cover. Open it so that you start designing. So when it opens, we shall click on File, Print. So reaching print, here we need A4, and then after choosing A4, it will be on this same page, and so you save changes. Then you go to page design, and then on the page design, what we wanted is that the margins should be set to this. These are the margins we need, and it should be on A4. So click OK. And so this means that we shall have it on A4. So what is the question saying? So we are going to include a logo. And so this means that we are going to have word art. So we go to insert word art. So from these word arts, you can choose any of your choice. For example, if I can choose this and I write Musana Industries Limited. So size, I can reduce it to 32, and I click OK, and I put this on top here. Can expand it like that. If you want, you can change the fill shape so that it is clear. Can design it like that. So after doing that, you can try to expand it. So after doing that, I need a logo. So you insert picture, desktop, then support files, images, look for Musana. Look for Musana logo. So from these pictures, you double click Musana logo, and then put that picture around there in the center. And then they say that we put a text inclusive where quality matters. So from here, we are going to put, you can also insert word art. For example, if I choose this or this, and I say where quality matters, size, can reduce it to around 18, click OK. And so this you can shape fill, use any color, and so you put it around there. And so that is their motto. So after doing that, you now insert a text box. You can click text box and then you draw there. You can increase font size to around 16 and you center the content, and then you write Musana just put it to around 24. Musana Industries Limited. Press enter. First floor, Uganda House. Enter. Kampala Road. Press enter. P.O.box 9396 Kampala. Enter. Telephone plus 256 041 you press enter. Customer care at picfair.com. Press enter. www.picfair.com. So after this, you can highlight this, come to color, choose blue and underline. Even this, choose blue, underline. This, highlight it and underline. So after putting this little information here, we now proceed. So after putting this, include the following text on your cover book as it appears here. So from here, we are going to put also a shape, got shapes, choose oval. You draw here. So you add text, right click, add text. You can put this to center and then size around 36. You can bold it and write 96 pages, and then you can format it maybe like that or like that. The choice is according to the designer. You can even fill color. Something like that. And then from there, they also wanted us to put this name, school, class, like this. So we also insert another shape So we go to insert, shapes, choose a rounded rectangle, you draw there. So after drawing this rounded rectangle, you right click and add text. Then you wanted the name. Can increase font size under home tab. Font size also around 36. Put a name. Dash dash dash. Press enter. What else? School. School. So after we need class and stream. So this font size is a little bit larger. We can reduce it to 28 so that the text can reach there. So like that. So we need to put class, then stream. So you can highlight it, you come to line spacing and space it somehow. You can also expand this. Moment. So like that. Save changes. What next? Include a text box showing number of pages contained in the book as shown above at an appropriate position. Okay. Include a header and footer as your name and personal number respectively. Use appropriate font type, font color, background. Include a page border around your book cover. So generally we are almost done with our book cover. And so what is left is to apply what we call a border. Shall also need to apply a footer. So let us apply some font size. So here I come to line spacing 1.5 so that it is a little bit spaced. So this border, you can also give it an outline of your choice. And so that is our design. Yes. So after doing that, we need to insert a border. How do we draw a border? We shall go to page design. From page design, we click master page. And so we say edit master pages. And so from here, we shall go to insert. And then we draw a text box around here. After drawing a text box in that area, we can now edit it or format it. So under format tab, we are going to format it to make sure that it is very attractive as a border. So here, you can even right click there and you say format text box. Under format text box, you can choose border art. So under border art from here, you choose a border that will really suit your text your, if I choose for example remember we are looking for a border for our book. The choice is all yours to look for an appropriate border. So you can see the list is endless. If I choose search and I click OK, and so here it will be applied. So I can click OK, and so this is my border. This is my border, like that. Can even prolong it to this side. And so after that I go to the master page and close master page. So this is the border on my book cover. So the question says that we include a header and footer. So we go to insert header. So under header we are going to put our names, and then we move down to footer, personal number 573, then you close. So here is the header, down is the footer. So after designing it really to that level, what does the question say? Use appropriate font type, font color, background, and include a page border. So background color, we shall go to page design. So under page design we have background. So from background we go to more background, and so a background of a book cover, we shall go to texture, and then we choose something like that. That is a book covers. And so if it is not good, you can go back to background. Under texture you can choose marble. White marble is good. Click OK. So that is our book cover now. It is complete with all the text. So click File, Save Changes, click File, Print. So this is our complete book cover. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.